This is a video introducing the key features of Hivroo F2 steam mop with 15-second heat up and 12-in-1 multi-surface cleaning system. It helps give you an overview. Of course. If you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features of Hivroo F2 steam mop, 12-in-1 handheld steam cleaner. The Hivroo F2 steam mop is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution designed to simplify whole home cleaning while delivering professional level results. Heating up in just 15 seconds, this steam mop releases high temperature 260 degrees Fahrenheit steam that quickly loosens stubborn dirt, grease, and stains without the need for harsh chemicals. With 2 adjustable steam modes, it easily adapts to daily maintenance or deep kitchen and floor cleaning, making household chores faster and more effective. Designed for multi-surface use, the Hivroo steam cleaner works safely on hardwood, tile, marble, laminate, and even carpets. Its reusable microfiber pads are highly absorbent, washable, and leave no water marks behind, helping maintain floor quality while reducing waste. The detachable handle transforms the unit into a 12-in-1 steam cleaning system, allowing it to clean floors, glass, furniture, clothing, sinks, carpets, and tight corners with ease. An ergonomic, adjustable height handle combined with a flexible cleaning head that rotates 120 degrees and tilts 90 degrees ensures effortless access under furniture and into hard-to-reach areas. The lightweight design, 15.6 feet power cord, and self-standing storage system enhance convenience. A large 360 ml water tank supports up to 45 minutes of continuous cleaning, making the Hivroo F2 ideal for homes with children and pets. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.